amuse, joystick, easy as pie, amuse, joystick, easy as pie, amuse, joystick, easy as pie.
Today, we're going to code robot RG to find ways using the joystick.
This yellow part on RG's face is what lets RG go in different directions.
Shall we start with the 시작하기 버튼을 클릭했을 때 block and the 계속 반복하기 block?
Awesome! Now, let's make it move forward. We'll drag in the 만일이라면 block with the joystick 위치가 중앙이면 conditional statement, switching 중앙 to 위화 살표. Then add the RG 10속도로 전진하기 block so that robot RG will move forward when we push the joystick up. Let's see if it works. Here we go.
Way to go, RG!
Oh.
It won't stop. What do we do?
You know, we add the 2초 기다리기 block and then the RG 정지하기 block.
Can I code RG to talk too?
Why not? Go ahead.
I will add the 안녕하세요 말하기 block and choose 앞으로 가자 in the drop-down menu and run.
앞으로 가자.
이번엔 잘 멈출까?
Nice going and nice stopping. This time, let's make it move backwards. Let's drag in the 만약이라면 block with the joystick 위치가 아래 화살표로 conditional statement.
It's almost the same. Easy as pie.
It is pretty much the same except this time, robot RG has to move backwards. Now we'll add the RG 10 속도로 전진하기 block with 전진 switched to 후진. And then the 2초 기다리기 block followed by RG 정지하기 block. Okay, shall we run it and see?
Wait, the talking. We forgot the talking.
That's right, I almost forgot. Let's add the 뒤로 가자 말하기 block. And now let's really run it.
조이스틱을 아래로 내리면
뒤로 가자.
It's working well. It could go faster though. I'd like to switch 10 here to 20 and see how fast it can go.
Alright, let's run it.
과연 빨라졌을까?
뒤로 가자.
It's a lot faster now, but let's make it turn right, shall we?
Let me tell you. We'll add the 만약이라면 block with the joystick 위치가 오른쪽이면 conditional statement. Just like what we did to make it move forward and backward except the 오른쪽 part, right?
Easy as pie.
Then we'll add the RG 5 속도로 우회전하기 block, the 1초 기다리기 block, and then the RG 정지하기 block in order. Make sure to set the speed to 5 so that RG can turn 90 degrees. If we give it 10, it will turn 180 degrees. Oh, and don't forget to add the 오른쪽으로 가자 말하기 block.
Justin, let's see if it's turned right.
조이스틱을 오른쪽으로 밀면
오른쪽으로 가자.
It does.
You really know what you're doing, Tina. You're making it so easy for me. Now, we're going to make it turn left, and it's almost the exact same, except RG is going to move left. So, let's add the 만약이라면 block with the joystick 위치가 왼쪽이면 conditional statement.
The only difference is that we choose 왼쪽 instead of 오른쪽, right?
You're right. It's those little differences that make a big difference. Now, let's add the RG 5속도로 좌회전하기 block, the 1초 기다리기 block, and then the RG 정지하기 block in order. Then we'll add your favorite, the 왼쪽으로 가자 말하기 block. We're good to go.
Yes! We'll start from school. We need to turn left to go to the subway station. Now, we should go straight.
앞으로
Move
가자.
forward, RG.
You should make a right at the subway station to get to the amusement park.
이번엔 놀이동산으로.
오른쪽으로 가자.
We'll turn right and then go straight again.
그래. 이제 앞으로 가면 놀이동산이야.
Here we are at the amusement park.
Mission accomplished. Good job. Today's sentences are:
This game will amuse you. That is as easy as pie. This game will amuse you. That is as easy as pie. This game will amuse you. That is as easy as pie.